Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Bluetooth enabled, watch charged above 50%, and the companion app installed. Once done, open the app and follow its initial permission prompts. The app needs Bluetooth and location access to discover the watch. Make sure both devices stay close, within 1 to 2 meters, and keep them unlocked so pairing requests appear. Tap the app's Pair or Connect button to start discovery, and watch for the device name to show in the app list before proceeding to the next step. Once the watch appears, select its name and you'll often see a numeric code or PIN on both screens. Compare those numbers and confirm on each device. If authentication uses a PIN, enter it on the phone when prompted. After pairing, the app will request additional permissions, grant contacts, calendar, and sensor access as needed so features function properly. Then choose Sync Preferences, Notifications, Health Metrics, and which apps to mirror. This step sets up real-time sync, so make choices that match your privacy. Finish by waiting for the initial full sync. Verify the watch shows correct time, contacts, and any installed apps. Once your data appears, test notifications and a simple action like music control to confirm connectivity. If pairing stalls for more than 2 to 3 minutes, restart both devices and try the connection again. This often clears transient Bluetooth conflicts. If problems persist, reset the phone's network settings or remove and repair the watch from the app. That deeper reset resolves most stubborn pairing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.